Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a Pakistani girl in USA. And today we are diving into something very powerful, that is Shopify Artificial Intelligence AI automation tools that run your business on autopilot. How you can literally set up systems that sell, manage and scale your store while you sleep. So let's start from introduction to the topic, then I will guide you step by step. Let's get started. In this video the focus is on how Shopify combined with artificial intelligence is changing the way online businesses are run. Instead of manually handling every task like product research, store management, marketing and also the customer support that is really important. Artificial intelligence, AI tools, now allow many of those processes to run automatically. This topic explains how beginners and small businesses can use the automation to save time, also reduce effort and build a more scalable online business with less manual work. So guys, now I will tell you why Shopify automation is a game changer in 2026. So guys, in 2026, online competition has increased and customers expect faster service, better recommendations, and also the instant responses. Shopify automation help business owner meet those expectations without hiring the large teams. It also allows stores to operate efficiently by automating repetitive tasks like order processing, marketing campaigns, and also the customer communication. This make it easier for beginners to compete with established brands and also grow faster in the e-commerce market. So guys, now we are going to discuss what artificial intelligence, AI automation, means for e-commerce beginners. AI automation in e-commerce refers to the use of artificial intelligence AI tools that perform business tasks without the constant human involvement. For beginners, it means they can set up systems that automatically choose product, write descriptions, and also respond to the customers and even manage ads. Instead of learning complex technical skills, beginners can rely on artificial intelligence, that means AI tools, to guide and support their business decisions. Guys, it's a time of talk about how Shopify stores make money on autopilot. Shopify stores can generate passive income when automation tools are properly set up. Once the store is built, artificial intelligence, that means AI systems, handle product uploads, marketing, and also the customer interaction. When a customer places an order, the system process it automatically and send it to the suppliers or fulfillment centers. This allows the store owner to earn money even when they are not actively working, creating a semi passive income model through digital automation. Let's talk about top AI tools for product research and winning product. AI product research tools help identify trending and high demand products by analyzing the market data, social media trends, and competitor performance. These tools reduce the risk of choosing products that do not sell well. Instead of guessing, beginners can rely on AI insights to find winning products that have high chances of success. So guys, this step is very important because product selection directly affect the success of a Shopify store. Artificial intelligence AI chatbots for customer support 24 by 7 selling system. AI chatbots handle customer queries instantly at many times of the day. They can answer questions about product details, shipping, refunds, and order status without human involvement. This improves customer satisfaction and increase sales. It also reduces the workload on store owners by managing repetitive communication automatically. Artificial intelligence AI tools for pricing and profit optimization. AI pricing tools analyze market trends, competitor pricing, and demand to suggest the best product prices. This helps store owners maximize profit while staying competitive instead of manually adjusting prices. Artificial intelligence AI system can automatically update pricing strategies to increase sales and maintain profit margin. So guys, now I will tell you some common mistakes beginners make with Shopify automation. Many beginners rely too much on automation without understanding the basics of business strategy. Some choose random product, ignore customer service quality or fail to test their store properly. One of the another common mistake is that expecting instant result without consistent effort. Successful automation requires the proper setup, testing and continuous optimization to work effectively. So guys, now we are going to discuss step by step simple automation setup strategy. A simple automation setup starts with selecting a niche and using AI artificial intelligence tools for product research. After doing all of that, a Shopify store is created using automated design tools. Next, products are added with artificial intelligence AI generated descriptions, followed by setting up chatbots and email automation. Finally, marketing tools are connected to run ads and social media campaigns. This step-by-step system creates a fully automated workflow that can operate with minimal manual input. Let's talk about marketing automation, TikTok, Instagram, and ads scaling. AI marketing tools help automate social media posting and creation and campaign optimization on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. These tools analyze which content perform best and adjust marketing strategies accordingly. So guys, this allows businesses to scale faster by reaching larger audience with less manual efforts and also the better targeting that is most important. Now it's a time of conclude the topic, so let's talk about conclusion, final tips and how to start today. To start successfully with Shopify artificial intelligence AI automation, it is very important to focus on learning the basic first and then gradually integrating automation tools. Beginners should start small, test their store, and improve step by step. Consistency and smart tool usage are the key to building a profitable online business. So, guys, with the right strategy, Shopify automation can turn into a very powerful source of income and long term business growth. So guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Pakistani Girl in USA. And I will see you in my next video with more powerful business and tech tips. Take care guys. Allah Hafiz.